Hey, real quick before we start today's video. Hey guys, did you catch me on Paul Knapp's channel? If not, check it out. They asked me to join the AOA, so I'm an official AOA member. AOA is the Access of Awesome, and together we're a community of 12-inch G.I. Joe enthusiasts. We each have our own personality and channels, and you should really check us out. Anyways, let's get to today's video.
I picked up these. They're called real little shoes, and I'm hoping that I could use them for my Barbies I recruit into my adventure team, because I need some outdoor shoes, not high heels and like that. So let's crack these open and take a look at them. I picked up 2 of these at my local grocery outlet. There's a barcode if you need it, if that helps you any. They come sealed in these little baggies, and just have to cut them open. And then inside the baggies are these little shoe boxes with some more tape. So just cut those open and open these up. They're packed in this tissue paper. And I didn't know that these had like a paint that you wash off to reveal some special shoes, but whatever, you know. That's probably why they were sticking. You gotta dip these in hot water and reveal your shoe. Neat, whatever. Pretty nicely detailed shoes. They have this some laces, a real nice sole to them, and not too bad of a design. This other box had a pair of canvas shoes, and they have this floral paint on them. And these both have this little ball chain with real little dog tag or something. I can tell you right now, these are not going to fit G.I. Joe. But that's okay, we already have boots for G.I. Joe. What we need is some shoes we could use for our Barbies we recruit into our adventure team, because their feet are so tiny. Samantha's on the very cool body that I got not too long ago, and her feet are just a little bit too big for these. That's okay, I have shoes that she'll fit into. If I warm these up, it'd probably pop right in, but I don't want to get her foot stuck in there. That's why I have it taped on, so it doesn't get stuck in her boot. This is one of my recruits. She's on the Barbie Made to Move body. I have these duck hunter boots I use for her, but these shoes might actually work better. I'll have to repaint them, but I think sneakers or some shoes like that look better than high heels, and they'd probably fit better on her feet and look better. The Harry Potter dolls, their feet are a little bit bigger, so they don't quite fit into these shoes. The high tops. They have no ankle articulation, but they fit nicely in these little flat ones. So this might be another look that she could go for. My G.I. Jane, she's always had smaller feet than G.I. Joe, so it's hard to find boots that'll fit her. She does fit some Ken's shoes and some of the later smaller feet G.I. Joe shoes. And also she fits these little duck hunter boots. However, these are a little tight on her feet because her feet are a little wide to fit into the shoe. You might be able to warm these up and pop her feet in. But that's okay, we have other boots that we could put on her. Overall, I don't think that these are too bad of a pickup. It's better to have like sneakers or running shoes instead of trying to figure out how to turn high heels or, you know, other Barbie shoes to some sort of outdoor shoes that you could use for your Barbie recruits. I really like these shoe boxes. These are pretty cool. I imagine putting a bunch of like old pictures and things like that into the shoe boxes and maybe make it a photo story of some sort. These little ball chains with the real little dog tags. Probably get rid of real little dog tags, but the ball chains I'll use. And these shoes I'll probably pull the laces off and probably repaint them a little bit so they're not so wild looking. But they are made of a softer or harder rubber, and they're not really too bad looking. not a really bad pickup, especially at Dollar Tree. Picking these up for just under $2. Not too bad. Hey guys, before I let you go, did you know that I had a web page? It's right here. You could check it out. I have the link in the description box. I called it at the time Mathuconhils Sketchbook, and I have 12 of my original photo stories I posted in the early 2000s in there, and you could also check them out right there. Coming the first Saturday of March, I'll be starting Saturday morning comics. And you can check them out every Saturday. I'm going to start with the Savage Island story that I did. It was one of the last photo stories I did. I didn't finish it, but it is a really fun story. I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to try a different approach of narrating it, so I hope you enjoy that. And I'll see you in the next video. Well, thank you for checking out these real little shoes with me. If you like this video, click the like button. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next video.